Hey, what's up, TRX holder? It's a really great news for all Tron holder, my brothers. To crypto market is wake up after a long time. You can see, my brother, crypto market is wake up, and this time you can see here the TRX price is increasing 1.5%. So it's a really great news, and 0.07 USD dollar as the latest price of TRX coin, my brother. So what's the main reasons of this coin starting up or now? And yes, my brothers, to what's our target? Let's see, my brother. Everything I will discuss you in this video, also my opinion, but just and only you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So if you can see, after this time the TRX price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and it's a very great news for all of you. To this time the crypto market is wake up. From last 7 days this coin is completely fell us down, and absolutely I am also holder of TRX, so therefore I am so sad to see this. But definitely you can see after a long time this is wake up, and I am 100% sure, my brothers, to this jump as they take for a long time, because you know, my friend, from last 2 weeks especially this coin is very badly fell down. Just in only, my friend, and my friend, last month also May, and the May they also fell down. So therefore I have, my friend, there is more chances to they will wake up and they completely go in the moon. Now let's see what kindly holders you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So what's my opinion? My opinion is that, my brothers, to please hold it, don't sell it. And if you hold it, then exactly, my friend, at the end of month sell it, they will make you a millionaire now, or they will make you rich man now. So laugh is, take care, see you next time.